So I was able to mount my acoustic guitar pickup, it's a Samick pickup, upside down at least, onto my banjo. And it basically just clips onto the body of the banjo with these clothespins. There's one on each side, it's symmetrical. And so I extended the length of the clothespins by taping on just some popsicle sticks to make it taller. See how high it sits? Um, so there's a pink rubber band around the pickup here. Again, the pickup's upside down, so it's facing the strings because I didn't have any room to put it between the head. And I didn't want to take apart the banjo to, get a banjo pickup. But anyway, it works good. There's a rubber band around the pickup that wraps around these popsicle sticks here. And then to help with the twisting motion, this rotation, that's what this green rubber band here holding this. It's almost like a suspension, like a cantilever. And then I just put some binder paper clips at the top so the rubber band doesn't slide. It wasn't sliding down the sticks anyway, but just for some added assurance that it's not going to move. And it's great. I mean, I can clip it on. I got it hooked through my Fender Deluxe Reverb amp. And it's got a lot of feedback too if you really want it. Like if I pluck this G string, it'll start to hum. You hear that kind of a hum there. But anyway, works pretty good. You don't have to buy a pickup.